Everyone's talking about AI. It's the golden ticket, the future, the next revolution. But here's the shocking truth. Most companies are failing miserably at using it. It's not because the tech doesn't work. It's because the people using it don't. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you might change how you see AI completely. AI is supposed to change everything, right? It's supposed to make companies smarter, faster, unstoppable. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most companies that invest in AI, they fail miserably, not because the algorithms are broken, not because the data is bad, but because the people using the technology aren't ready for it. And that's the part nobody wants to talk about. Let's fix that. AI was supposed to change everything. Smarter decisions, faster growth, limitless potential. But here's the truth nobody wants to admit. This isn't a story about broken algorithms. It's a story about us, and why the human side of AI might be the biggest problem of all. Every CEO wants to say their company uses AI. You've heard the promises. AI will revolutionize business. Executives love that phrase. It sounds impressive. Investors love it. Press releases brag about it. They announce massive AI investments. They hire data teams. They promise transformation. And then nothing happens. The tools are built. The dashboards look shiny, but the results? Flat. But behind the buzzwords, most of these AI transformations crash and burn. A 2024 survey showed that over 80% of corporate AI projects never make it out of testing. Yes, 8 out of 10 AI projects die quietly before ever making an impact. Why? Because companies treat AI like a magic wand, not a tool that needs human alignment. They install algorithms, but forget about the people who are supposed to trust them, interpret them, and act on them. You've seen the headlines. AI is transforming business. Executives rush to implement, spending millions hoping for instant results. But what happens? 6 months later, the project stalled. Employees don't use the tools. And if you ask the team what went wrong, they'll tell you, oh, the tech wasn't mature enough yet. Really? Or maybe we weren't. It's not just about code. It's about culture. Companies don't actually understand what AI needs to succeed. Our limited understanding stems partly from the tendency to study these failings as limitations of the technology themselves, or from the perspective of users' cognitive judgments about AI performance. She says, what we learned is that success is not so much about technology and its capabilities, but about the different emotional and behavioral reactions employees develop towards AI, and how leaders can manage these reactions. You see, AI thrives on collaboration between human insight and machine logic. But many workplaces still run on silos, mistrust, and fear of replacement. Employees worry AI will take their jobs. Managers don't understand the data, and leadership often expects instant results without investing in training or mindset shifts. So what happens? Data scientists build brilliant models that no one uses. Executives push for results no one can deliver. And the gap between AI potential and AI reality grows wider every day. Think about it. We hand an algorithm to a team that's been doing things the same way for 20 years and expect them to trust a computer more than their own judgment. That's not transformation, that's tension. You've got managers who don't understand how the system works, employees who are terrified it might take their jobs, and leaders who want results but don't want to change processes. The system gets built, but no one trusts it. The data scientists are isolated, and the old way of doing things keeps winning. And then we're surprised when no one uses the AI tool that was supposed to revolutionize everything. Pause. Here's the thing. AI isn't a plug-and-play miracle. It's a partnership. But here's the twist. When companies get it right, it's not the tech that's different. It's the culture. Look at companies like Netflix, Google, or NVIDIA. Their success with AI isn't about having secret algorithms. It's about having teams that trust data and leaders who understand it. They train employees to work with AI, not against it. Now let's look at the companies that do make AI work. Google, Netflix, NVIDIA. They don't treat AI as a trophy. They treat it as a teammate. They train their people to think like data scientists. They teach curiosity not compliance. And most importantly, they make it okay to fail, to learn, to adapt. Because that's how AI grows. That's how people grow. When a machine makes a prediction, a human still needs to interpret it. When AI gives you an insight, you still need to decide what to do with it. That's how AI actually thrives. When humans and machines learn from each other. And partnerships only work when both sides trust each other. The goal isn't replacement, it's reinforcement. AI doesn't erase creativity, it multiplies it. AI is not coming to replace people. It's coming to amplify human potential, but only if we're ready for it. The next generation of winners won't be the companies with the best algorithms. They'll be the ones with the most adaptable, curious, and open-minded people. The real AI revolution isn't artificial intelligence. It's augmented humanity. The future belongs to the adaptable, to the curious, to the ones who say, teach me how this works, instead of that's not my job. It's not about being a programmer. It's about being a problem solver. It's about understanding what AI can do. And the most successful AI projects aren't driven by code. They're driven by trust, communication, and shared purpose. So if your company's AI project isn't delivering what you hope for, don't blame the software. Look around. Ask yourself, have we trained our people to think differently? Do we reward curiosity or punish it? Do we let people experiment or make them afraid to fail? Because AI doesn't fix culture. People do what it can, and filling that space with human creativity. The secret to winning with AI isn't about building smarter machines. It's about building smarter humans. The companies that survive this revolution will be the ones that realize it was never about the technology. It was always about us.